Edge NPUs promise efficient on-device LLM inference, but they've hit a wall. They can't easily run practical quantization formats like AWQ's W4A16 or W8A16. Most NPU stacks are proprietary black boxes that force models to conform to hardware, not the other way around. The bottleneck is data movement. Unpacking, dequantizing, and streaming low-bit weights efficiently is where current stacks fail. Standard approaches materialize full precision weights first, causing redundant memory round trips, or they choke on the large matrix dimensions and DMA stride limits common in transformer MLP layers. TileFuse solves this with 3 co-designed optimizations for AMD's XDNA2 NPUs. First, fused microkernels. Instead of separate dequantization steps, TileFuse packs unpacking, scale application, and matrix multiplication into a single compute core flow. Weights stay compressed in INT4 or INT8 until they hit the arithmetic units. This cuts memory traffic and boosts GEMM, or general matrix multiply, throughput by over 100%. Second, interleaved pre-tiling. Large LLM layers often exceed standard DMA buffer descriptor stride limits. TileFuse pre-reorganizes weights offline, packing quantization metadata directly into weight tiles and arranging them in an interleaved column major layout. This eliminates large memory strides, enabling efficient streaming for GEMM dimensions up to 32,000. Third, a GEMV dataflow co-design. Token generation runs at batch size 1, turning linear layers into matrix vector multiplications, or GEMV, that quickly shift from memory-bound to compute-bound. TileFuse routes weights through memory cores to distribute tiles across the full 4x8 AIE array, maximizing spatial utilization and pushing GEMV performance up by nearly 300%. On Ryzen AI laptops, TileFuse delivers up to 2 times lower prefilling latency and cuts energy by over 64% compared to tuned iGPUs. But there's a catch. The NPU's reconfiguration overhead hurts latency-sensitive token generation. The practical path is a hybrid strategy. Let the NPU handle large prefilling GEMMs and keep the iGPU on token generation. TileFuse proves that adapting hardware to off-the-shelf quantization, rather than reshaping models for proprietary stacks, is the key to unlocking real edge AI. If you want to dig into the kernel-level details or test it yourself, check the link in the description.